Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your internet connection on the TECNO routers. So if you want to disable the internet connection and you have a TECNO router, what you want to do is go to the IP address of your router. You can check it inside of the router or somewhere on the back. There should be like an IP address, and usually it's 192.168.0.1, and make sure that you are connected to this router before you try to go to this page. And after that, you have this internet connection button right here in the home page, and you just want to click on it and to just toggle on or off the internet connection. So right now it's disabled, and if I press it again, the internet connection will be enabled. And there we go, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.